Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Mini Cooper key fob battery. First, make sure you have a new CR2032 coin cell battery readily available. This is the standard battery type for most Mini key fobs. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver, about 2 to 3 millimeters wide, to gently open the fob casing. A well-lit and clean workspace will make this process much easier and prevent any small parts from getting lost. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot or indentation on the side of your key fob, usually near the key ring loop. Carefully insert the tip of your small flathead screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, slowly pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Be careful not to use excessive force, as the plastic casing can be delicate. The two halves should separate with a soft click. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note or a picture of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side, marked with a plus sign. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side, often marked with a plus, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, let's reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the key fob casing. Press them together firmly until you hear a distinct click, indicating that they are securely snapped back into place. Give it a gentle squeeze around the edges to ensure a tight seal. Now, test your key fob immediately to confirm it's working correctly. You should be able to lock and unlock your Mini Cooper without any issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.